Hi, this is the Cube Hub Family Channel. Today I'm gonna put my cube back together. This is the last step of making your cube clean. So let's do it. First step, you get an edge and put it in the gap. And then you get another edge, like a green and yellow edge, and put it right here. I found one right here and put it right here. You slide it here and then it might pop up, but it will be back. Then you made two pieces good. So then the second step is to get a corner with the same colors, and then you put it in, like you put it down here and you press it like this. This corner has to go in the back and then put it here. And then you get a orange and green edge and then you slide it in here. Then you made an F2L pair. And then go to the blue side where the yellow and get a blue and yellow edge. And then you slide it and then you put it where here. And then you put this corner right here. And then you get an orange and blue corner here. And you stick it here, like here, right here. Then you make two F2L pairs just right here to fix in your Rubik's Cube. Then you get a yellow and red piece and put it right here where the middle is. And then you put it right here. And then next you get a red, blue, yellow one, and then you stick right there and get a blue, red edge and slide it through. And then you get a blue and white edge and you put it right here. And then you get a blue and orange white corner right here. And then you get a white and orange edge right here to make this here. And then you get this white, green, and orange edge right here. And then you made a side. And then you need to put an edge right here, a white and green edge. And then find a white and green edge, and then you slide it like this. And then you already made this part like is correct here. Then you make this correct. So you get a yellow and red and green corner right here. And then you get a green and red edge here. Now on the hard step, you get a red and white green corner and put it right here where it matches. And then you get this one and put it right here. Now you have you might have to stuck it here. And now you have to open it up and put it 45 degrees like this. And then you keep it open and get the last edge. Then you just stick it here and then it might get in. And that's how you assemble a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now it's already fixed back. Now let me scramble it up and solve it. Okay. Right here, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Already done 2 layers. Now I'm on yellow case. And okay, got an end perm, and let me just do that. And done. I hope you like this video and give it a big thumbs up.